Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your email address on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click the User Settings gear icon at the bottom left to open your account settings. The Settings panel opens with several categories listed down the left side. Click the Edit button next to your email address at the top of the My Account section to open the verification modal. A verification window appears asking you to confirm your identity. Click the Send Verification Code button to have Discord send a verification email to your inbox. Check your email for the message. It usually arrives within a minute or two. The verification email usually arrives within a minute or two. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Once you receive it, open the email and click the Verify button inside to complete the process. You'll see a confirmation page in your browser, and when you switch back to Discord, the unverified email warning will be gone from your account settings. If you need to change your email address later, you'll find that option in the same My Account section. Just click Edit again and enter your new address. And that's how to verify your email address on Discord. Thanks for watching.